It is a tooling system developed using AWS, Covalent, and Phantom. We wish to share how the different features have been developed and how we can use them using the different platform methods. So let me begin with basically creating or changing colors. So here you have the different colors that we can select depending on our choice. We can select the text color, we can select the background color. We can also use pencil. We have written Web3 CAD tools using this particular pencil. We can draw depending on the color that we have chosen. We can also use eraser, and basically we can create and edit images and also export them in the PNG format, in JPEG format, and TIFF format as NFTs, and have those NFTs being made available via the Covalent NFT dashboard API, which we'll be demonstrating next. Next, I'd like to share some of the other artifacts that we have added. We can basically create a specific image, and we can also undo and redo the operation. We can also select images from IPFS using the journal system. So here you have the different objects that we can select, and we can add them in our in a particular canvas. So let me select animals, which I have already selected earlier too, and we can add it in our canvas. We can basically export these particular tooling sets and also the image that we have generated from the export feature. So we can save the image. We can basically do copy and paste as well, and we can also export. We can also insert the image, and we can add filters to it. So we can have different kinds of filters that we can add, and we can also undo and redo those set of features. Let me try saving this over. So we have been able to save this over to journal. From there, we'll save it over to the IPFS. The use of AWS is in three areas. One is that once we are saving this entire canvas image, so it gets saved as a PNG or a JPEG file at the Amazon S3 service, which is the simple storage service, and also as in the IPFS. The second part is that we are, for sending this exported image as an email, we are using Amazon SES service, and for basically sharing all these particular NFTs that we have created. So we are basically referring to these different PNGs or images as NFT. So these images have an aggregated dashboard which have been developed using the Covalent NFT dashboard template. So Phantom is something which we are using for basically sending the data over the private network. These are some of the features that we have developed. We are still in the early phases. We can add shapes to the project, as you can see over here. We can add and select the shapes. So these are some of the other things that we can do. We look forward to hearing your feedback and scaling up this particular project. Thank you.